By the way, folks, the great thing about being here in Nashville, from this stage right here to my front door at home is a 3-hour and 45-minute drive. That's a short trip. To me, that's like going next door. I say that because we travel all the time, and sometimes it takes me 2 days to get there. We was in Texas and Louisiana, Texas last week, I say this to the folks in the audience who may not know this. When I say travel, that means I'm always traveling in my car. Anywhere I go, I'm in my car because I don't fly. I'm afraid to fly. I don't mind flying once a year just to catch up on my drinking and my praying. There's no such thing as a safe airplane. At 30,000 feet, if something comes loose and falls off, it's pretty much over. It's not like you can go, shh, where's that noise coming from? I'm going to pull off and see what that is. It could be the muffler. Even the airlines know they're not safe. That's how come they overly brag about the safety features. They seem to be especially proud of their flotation seat. Now, you folks fly, you know this. Every single flight, regardless of the destination, they will explain the flotation seat. They have that little video they show now, where it's located, how to hold on to it, how to strap on, hold on to it, and float in case they crash in the ocean. That sounds good, but there's no ocean between Georgia and Oklahoma. If you want to make me happy, show me a seat that's going to bounce out of a cornfield. And other entertainers that I have known over the past 40 years have been making fun of me for a long time because I won't fly. While they're on an airplane, I'm on the interstate. But I keep telling them, I said, look, sooner or later, you'll wise up. You will wise up sooner or later. There's always something going on out there. Remember some years ago, they made a movie about this. The plane that crashed into the Hudson River up in New York. We all know what brought that plane down. Birds. I'm going to repeat that. So, y'all have said that like it's damn normal. You go, well, hell, let's start all over again. Visualize the situation, folks. We're talking about an airplane, a damn airplane, not a kite. A damn jumbo jet knocked out of the sky by some birds. It was birds, not a deer. Birds. And this is an actual quote from the pilot. The pilot's name was Captain Sully. This is an actual quote. The moment I saw the birds coming, I knew there could be trouble. The last time a bird hit my car, who do you think went down? Case closed. Almost every week of my life, I pull out of my driveway, headed out on some trip. Not once has any member of my family followed me to the front door going, "Be careful now, there's birds out there." Oh, by the way, every time my cousin hears me tell that story, he'll go, it wasn't birds, it was geese. I go, yeah, I know that. But geese are part of the bird family. He goes, well, I'll be damned. You mean they all know each other?